Jesus can save. He's the light in the storm. He's the anchor that keeps us strong. With love everlasting, He reaches out His hand. Jesus can save. He's the Savior of all the land. Chains of sin binding, holding me down, struggling and fighting, can't break free on my own. But in His mercy, He came to set me free.